Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to officially announce on here, because I already did on Instagram, I have lost 100 pounds. 100 freaking pounds. What? It is so surreal. I can't believe it. It's just, I mean, I can, because the hard work, determination, patience, consistency, discipline, all those things that I did to get where I am today, a lot of hard work. I don't even want to say sacrifice, because maybe at the beginning it felt like that, but so I started in January. By the end of I remember the last week in March, it was just a way of life. It was the way of life, and that's just what it was. And so this video is the first of many. This is just a celebratory video. I'm going to post a lot of before and afters and everything. So it's just an announcing of 100 pounds. But I have a lot coming to you guys. So if you have any questions about my weight loss journey, keto, anything like that, I feel like I don't talk about keto a lot on here. I mean, I know I mention it, but I haven't done as much as I wanted to do, because it's not the only way to lose weight. There's so many different ways of eating to lose weight. Obviously, you have to be in a calorie deficit, okay? And I do not think carbs are bad, okay? I do not. So that will be another video for you all. So definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, to stay tuned, because I have a lot of videos coming, definitely within the next few weeks, next few months. I definitely want to be posting more videos, spending more time. I spend a lot of time on Instagram, I'm not gonna lie, probably too much time. I feel like a lot of success already has been happening for me. I am so excited about the doors that have been opening up for me already, and just losing this weight is just propelling me into such bigger and better things because of my mindset change, who I am mentally now. I am just such a stronger person. And I'm just so excited for my future and the rest of this year, and just the present moment especially, and enjoying it. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So definitely a lot of videos to come on specific things. Has to do tips, advice about weight loss, getting started, my favorite foods to eat on keto, favorite snacks, what I did, intermittent fasting, just everything about my journey from start to now. And definitely there's gonna be more videos because I'm not done yet. So I just want to go in depth with every topic, instead of just doing updates and just getting snippets, and have things be more concise and more structured, and have notes written down so I don't forget things. Because a lot of times after I do my video and then I watch it, I'm like, oh, I forgot this, I forgot that. And yeah, so definitely stay tuned for that. So at the end of this video, it's gonna be a lot of transformation, before and after pictures side by side that I have posted on Instagram. So if you don't follow me over there, follow me over there. I'm active all day, every day on there. Maybe weekends I take a little bit break, because I just do, because George doesn't work on the weekends. So we just spend a lot of time together, and I don't spend a lot of time on my phone. But definitely Monday through Friday, I am all over Instagram. I love Instagram. It's my favorite thing. So definitely, I'm HKSOCKO over there. I'll let it linked below. But I'm just so excited to share more in depth of my journey with you all. It's a very vulnerable thing, but I'm not afraid to be vulnerable. I know a lot of people don't like to be. I've never been that way. I feel like to be vulnerable, you get closer to people. And I want to help people, because for so long, I needed help myself. And, until I was able to find people on the internet and for help. Kim's commitment helped me. She is the number one reason why I went keto. She helped me lose weight. She was literally like a big sister through the whole thing. I found her videos in June of 2019, and she completely changed my life. I will link her channel below. She would be someone that if I was, through my journey or having a rough day, like I rewatched her videos from start to finish. Go up to the little thing, go to oldest video, and just watch them all from beginning to present. And her transformation and how she changed her life is just incredible. And it's just crazy when I rewatch her videos now, when I think, wow, I was 100 pounds heavier when I first started watching her videos. And it's just crazy. And I will just cry, and I'm just so proud of Kim. Jackson Desjardins, I feel like I always say his last name wrong. I found him as well, same time when I found Kim. His videos are very informative and very great as well, but he's not keto, but Kim is keto. And because of Kim, I went keto. I knew I could do keto. I discovered, I will go through all of this, but basically I Googled no sugar diets. Three things came up. One of them was keto, and I was like, what? I thought keto was just eating bacon. And then the more I researched about keto, I was like, oh my God. And then I Googled it on YouTube, found Kim, and the rest is history. But we will go through all of those things. I will have specific videos on just how I got started, and it will just be like segments instead of really, really long videos. So I am so proud of myself today, more than I ever have. The confidence that you get, it's not just the weight loss, it's just achieving a goal, any goal you achieve in life. You know what I mean? When I graduated college, I was so proud of myself. And, you know, again, losing weight, and honestly, losing 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 50, I was so proud. And every time you just lose 1 pound, it just gives you more determination, and it keeps you consistent and more motivation. You're not always going to feel motivated, but when you're disciplined, you will stay consistent. And when you have patience, the weight will go down. And any advice today I'm going to give, just worry 1 pound at a time. Tell yourself that every day, 1 pound at a time, times 100. And here I am today. So I am so excited. It's just so exciting. And I can't believe it. So we're going to go for another 20 and see how we go from there. But I'm going to do a ton of videos, and then basically kind of catch me up until where I am in the current moment, basically, of all my journeys, another 20. But definitely in May, I don't know if I already said this, but in May, I said April, but it's been still cold here in PA. But beginning of May, even if it is cold, I don't care. But beginning of May, I am going to start running, and I'm super excited. I used to enjoy running back in the day when I was a teenager and when I played field hockey and stuff. I enjoyed it. And then even when I wasn't playing, I would just run at home up and down our street and stuff. And I always enjoyed running, jogging. It's so good for mental clarity, and that's why I really want to do it. And George and I's one goal is to run a 5K. We don't know when, obviously, with how things are, but that's definitely something we want to do at least once. I don't think we're going to be like people who run 5Ks every other day, but, you know, with a group of people. But honestly, I would love to get up to, just for fun, like around where I live, just to run, 5 miles a day. I feel like that would be a huge goal of mine. But yeah, George and I definitely want to run a 5K together, officially be able to complete something like that. And yeah, so anyways, you guys are going to see a lot of pictures right now. I'm hopefully I'll try to like speed it up so it's not like long, but long enough so you can see. And yeah, I'm so proud of myself, and I'm telling you, if you are watching this and you want to embark on this journey, I'm telling you, you can do it. Just do it. Just be consistent every single day. And I feel like a lot of people don't like to talk about cheat days and this and that. The first January, February, so the first 2 months, I kept saying 3 months, but actually it was 2 months. January, February, and March. So at the end of March, the last week in March of 2020, we decided to do cheats once a month. Before that, we were doing it pretty much every week, and I just didn't feel like I was being consistent, and I didn't feel like I was doing the best that I could do. And now, 2 months without a cheat. I wanted to challenge myself. It was 2 months without a cheat, and cheat's coming up in tomorrow. So I am super excited. I'm not gonna lie, because it's like, holy crap. So I have some champagne, and I want to have some champagne. I want to pop a bottle, and I want to have some champagne because yeah, heck yeah, I want to get a little tipsy. I don't really drink that much. I drink White Claw. Gosh, I haven't had a White Claw in a long time. I try not to drink a lot of alcohol, I'm not gonna lie, but for this occasion, I am gonna have a drink. People judge people for having cheat days. If you want to call them free days or refeed days, as a lot of people call them too as well, and people do refeed, whether it's just upping calories or going off plan, however you want to do it, whatever you want to say. But a lot of people cheat every week. I don't care about people's cheat days, so don't judge me for once a month. But I like it, I enjoy it, and let me tell you something, throughout the 2020, it helped us look forward to something. It was like a little mini vacay every month that you were looking forward to do. You know what I mean? Like when you plan a vacation, you look forward to it all year, and that's how you get through work, right? Well, that's how we got through 2020. And guess what? I still lost 100 pounds. So judge me all you want. If I want to have a cookie, it's going to be okay. And you do you do it the way you want to do it. You live your life the way you want to live. I'm going to leave it at that. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm telling you, you have a lot coming to you, a lot of information, and you don't want to miss it, because again, if I can do it, you can do it too. And I remember listening to so many people say that in their videos. And damn, do I mean it. I truly, truly, truly mean it. Because the girl you're going to see soon is not this person anymore. I'm not that person anymore. Oh my gosh. I'm still Natalie to my core, but my mental strength is completely different, and my confidence, and just how I feel. And feeling healthy made me feel so good, and when you eat good, and I'm telling you, like, I feel good every single day. And just real quick, I also want to let people know, I did not drink ketones at all. I just ate keto and worked out. So that's all I did. But I will get more into that in many, many more videos. There's nothing wrong if you want to drink the ketones. I'm just letting you know, because I definitely have gotten a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me if I've done that, and I haven't. So I just want to make that clear on here if you are wondering. So anyway, guys, enjoy the photos. Definitely let me know below if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys all in the next one. And I also want to thank everybody so much for all your amazing support, all your amazing comments. I mean, honestly, I can't tell you guys how much I have cried over just such sweet comments and sweet people, and my sweet friends on Instagram. And you guys, just like, you have no idea how much you've got me through this journey. And Kelly, girl, I just wish I could hug you, because you have no idea how such a great friend that you have been through since, I think, my gosh, we've known each other since, what, 2012 from couponing, and you have no idea how much I appreciate your friendship over especially the past 15 months of my journey. So, and all you guys have just been so great. So enjoy the photos, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. And there's a lot of them, because I've been preparing lots of notes. So I'll see you guys all in the next one. Enjoy the photos. Bye, guys.
We met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours, forever yours. day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you